Hey guys, Dylan Tommy here. Just going to do a quick update. It's always a tropical paradise in here, despite being 2 feet of snow on the ground. Let's take a look outside. We'll come into the plant room and chill out. Check out some of my mosses that I've been growing out here to go into the paludarium. Check out the white. Look at that. That's my car. Completely buried. Look at this van behind it. Completely buried. I don't know how far we can see, but it's a mess out there. It's funny, across the street, this wall right here is a 5-foot wall, and you can't even see it. It's crazy. These steps, you don't even see about, 8 or 9 steps there because they're completely buried in snow. But yeah, we got whacked. We got whacked with a big one here. So just keeping you updated. Like I said, it's always tropical in here, because of all the exotics I keep and the planted tanks, and I can dig it. You spend a lot of time out in the cold. You need to come to a nice exotic tropical environment, kind of chill out. So that's the natural aquatic blizzard update, guys. Everything's running nice and warm in here, and we got a tropical zone in this home, despite the 12 inches. Or 2.5 feet, or whatever it may be out there. It's certainly a blizzard. Thanks for checking it out, guys. I'll keep you updated. Maybe I'll take a walk outside and we can explore some of the snow. You guys have a good one. Take on. Peace. Alright guys, I really shouldn't be taking the camera out because it's such a nasty conditions. But I'm walking here, went for a quick walk, and just checking out some of the blizzard conditions. Check out the mounds of snow. I'm actually walking in the middle of a main road that's actually been plowed a little bit. Let me show you some of the side streets that just haven't been. I mean, look at that. We're talking 4 feet of snow drifts. How about down here? Oh, we actually got people driving. I thought there was a driving ban. That's why I'm walking in the middle of the street. I guess these people are testing it. Doesn't seem too bad over here. This guy knows his stuff. Still blowing the street. Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do when the city doesn't take care of business. There we go, here's some business. Wow. So we keep walking here, doing a bit of exploring here in the blizzard. I mean, look at the drift here. Let me see if I can show you. We're talking, I don't know, that's at least 4.5 feet. But let's keep rolling. Nobody's on the road. We saw a couple of those cars, but we're all snowed in for the most part. I haven't dug out my car. I just kind of took a walk to the closest convenience store just to kind of check out the scenes. Like I said, I brought my shovel with me just in case anybody needed a hand. But like I said, I haven't seen too many people out doing their things, and the people I have seen out are pushing snowblowers, so I don't see too many people in distress. but everybody's pretty hunkered down, not really moving. We're gonna come down here, heading back towards my house. Look at this street. This street just hasn't been plowed at all. Living on a hill like this, you get a lot of drifts, a lot of wind. So snow piles up. We could get, 3 feet of snow and have 8 foot, 9 foot drifts because of the wind. There's some people moving. I see some bare ground over here. Some people in my neighborhood take care of business. There we go. This is my street, and this is crazy. What's going on over here? Look at this. Look at these drifts. Kind of get down street level, and you can see just how big the drifts are. I'm gonna keep walking here. I'm gonna head in the house. A bit of a path I cleared as I left. Alright guys, thanks for checking out my little blizzard walk. Appreciate you hanging out. I'll keep you updated.